I've got freshmen going into intro to agroecology. So I'm really excited about that because that's the class which uses this bar as the laboratory, okay? And that's something we've done a bit of in environmental studies of introductory course. We've taken students out here and they've learned about soil and soil health. We will have the time and the range, in fact, the pedagogical need to do a lot more things. So I'm really looking forward to that. We're going to work on the blueberries. We're going to ask questions about the soil that's under the blueberries. We haven't been manipulating it or modifying it the way we're supposed to for several years, and yet we're still getting very heavy crops of high quality fruit. What's going on here? So, well, the obvious thing to check soil pH, they'll learn how to do that, but then perhaps we can develop some other more sophisticated lines of inquiry.
I'm going to try and get you to work a little harder than you probably think you need to, because I want people to discover the value in doing that. The metaphor I always use with my students is, that coming into this world of ideas, learning about things, reading up on things, you got to think of this just like going to the gym. To do well and you want to perform well in a sport or you want to get on the football field, you're going to have to do a lot of reps. You're going to have to do a lot of practice. You're going to have to work really hard. It's exactly the same thing if you really want to have mastery of these concepts we're teaching in biology. If you want to get a grip with this really tremendous amount of vocabulary that you have to learn, you're going to have to work really hard at it. Hopefully, just as with your sport, by doing that, you start to discover the beauty of it. You start to discover the joy of it. You start to think, wow, I really kind of like doing this. I look forward to when I've blocked out my biology time or my I&I time and I'm doing my reading and I'm trying to figure this out.